Gentlemen, let's talk about aging like a fine wine, full of vitality and flavor. As we hit our 50s, it's time to rethink our approach to health. Our bodies change, and so should our fuel. That's where the paleo diet comes in. It's not a fad, it's a lifestyle that can help you reclaim your energy, sharpen your mind, and feel years younger. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with stable energy levels throughout the day. Picture yourself with improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a newfound zest for life. That's the power of the paleo diet. It's about nourishing your body with the foods it's designed to thrive on. This isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance. Abundance of real, whole foods that make you feel fantastic from the inside out. Are you ready to unlock your health potential after 50? Let's dive in. The paleo diet draws inspiration from our ancestors, who thrived on whole, unprocessed foods. Think of it as a blueprint for eating based on what nature provides. We're talking about fresh fruits and vegetables bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. We're talking about lean proteins that fuel your muscles and keep you feeling full and satisfied. We're also talking about healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production, brain health, and overall well-being. What you won't find on the paleo diet are processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial ingredients that can wreak havoc on your body. It's about simplifying your diet and focusing on the building blocks of good health. This way of eating is about nourishing your body with the foods it's designed to digest and utilize effectively. It's about getting back to basics and giving your body what it needs to function at its best. As men, we experience unique changes in our bodies as we age. Our metabolism naturally slows down. We may lose muscle mass, and our energy levels can fluctuate. The paleo diet directly addresses these changes, providing the nutrients we need to thrive in this new chapter of life. By eliminating processed foods and sugars, we stabilize our blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can leave us feeling drained. The emphasis on protein helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining strength, mobility, and an active lifestyle. Plus, the abundance of anti-inflammatory foods in the paleo diet helps combat age-related inflammation, supporting joint health and overall well-being. The paleo diet isn't just about feeling good, it's about feeling great. It's about having the energy to keep up with your passions, whether it's playing with your grandkids, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying life to the fullest. Making it your own. Personalizing your paleo plate. One of the best things about the paleo diet is its flexibility. It's not about strict rules, it's about finding what works best for you. Start by gradually incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Focus on filling your plate with colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body and adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs. If you're physically active, you may need more carbohydrates from sources like sweet potatoes or plantains. If you're watching your weight, you can adjust your fat intake accordingly. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. The key is to make sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. A day on my plate. Paleo meal plan example. Let's get practical. Here's a glimpse into what a typical day of eating looks like for me on the paleo diet. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and mushrooms. A side of berries. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, and a drizzle of olive oil. Dinner: baked salmon with roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Pro tip: stay hydrated throughout the day with plenty of water. You can also enjoy herbal teas and black coffee in moderation. Remember, this is just an example, and you can customize it based on your preferences and dietary needs. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Filling the gaps: key supplements for paleo success. While the paleo diet is incredibly nutrient-dense, there are a few key supplements that can help fill any potential gaps and optimize your health. Vitamin D, crucial for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Omega-3, fatty acids, support heart health, brain function, and reduce inflammation. Magnesium, essential for muscle function, sleep quality, and stress management. Pro tip: consult with your healthcare professional to determine the right dosage and type of supplements for your individual needs. Remember, supplements are meant to complement a healthy diet, not replace it. Focus on getting most of your nutrients from whole food sources. Rest, recover, thrive. My secrets to paleo recovery. Recovery is just as important as the food you eat. Here are my top tips for optimizing recovery and feeling your best. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Manage stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Stay active. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine, but listen to your body and rest when needed. Remember, true health encompasses not just your physical well-being, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Take care of yourself holistically. So, this is the big secret. Thriving on the paleo diet after 50 is not only possible, but can lead to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Remember, it's all about making informed choices and personalizing your journey. For more pro tips on living a healthier, happier lifestyle, be sure to watch our next video. Eat well, live well, be well. Thanks.